Hello, my happy 7th graders. What I'd like to do is to help you out with your vocabulary words. I want to make sure that you get the correct definitions, and I also want to make sure that you know how to use the Glencoe website to get some additional information. So when you go on to right here where it says glencoe.com, you're going to come upon this page. You'll want to plug in Pennsylvania. You'll want to plug in that you are a student. And then you want to plug in social studies. After you enter, it will bring you to this next page, which you want to pick our book. We have a world history book, and we are Journey Across Time, 2008 edition. And then that takes you to the screen that gives you all of the nifty little helps that your book, that your textbook provides for you. Since we're doing the vocabulary, the PeP sheets, people, places, and everything else, you'll want to go down to the vocabulary e-cards down here. And when you click on there, you're going to want to go on to the Unit 1, which is where we are, and we are in Chapter 1, the First Civilizations. Click on there, and then once again, within this chapter here, we're going to go on to the vocabulary flashcards. There's a couple of choices here. Your best choice is going to be to go on the combined E flashcards, which is this one right there. That's going to give you all of the highlighted words in the chapter. When you come onto here, again, you've got a couple of options. You can print out the flashcards if you want to. What we want to do right now is we just want to view all of the terms, the words, and their definitions. And if it's people, we're going to be viewing their descriptions, or it's going to tell us why that person was important. So all you're going to do, you go through each one of these. You can write down the definitions that go along with the word, and it takes you to the very end to all of the words that are on that sheet that I gave you. You can also go ahead onto the website on your own and do that if you would like to. So it goes through the regular nouns first, and then towards the end here, it's going to go through all of the proper nouns. This is going to end with Nebuchadnezzar. After you get done with this, you may have noticed that on your PeP sheet, there are some words that are on there that do not appear highlighted in your chapter. So I want to make sure that you know where to find those. So what I've done is I've put the page numbers next to the word Hittites because you're going to need to know who they are for the test. Here's the page number where you can find it, but they're not going to be highlighted. So you've got to look on that page. You've got to read the information. Scroll down a little bit more, and there's a couple other words on here that I've provided the page numbers for you for epic, mud brick, Neolithic, Paleolithic, and then ziggurat, which you're going to need to know that word as well. Again, not highlighted in your text. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. Try to know all of these words, all of these people for your test, and good luck.